Yes, that looks good. We're gonna take care of that guy. We're probably only, 25, 30 yards. Just for the fun of it. This is why I love this gun so much. Every time you throw something down the barrel, throw some air in it, it fires. Okay, fire! Oh my gosh, I can't believe we went over again. We have this barrel that kind of cuts and shapes the potatoes. So you just slam that baby in. There we go. And then ramrod. Yeah, a little bit. All right, now we're ready for some air. Give us some air, Jesse. I'm gonna aim good and low this time. It's amazing how that potato climbs out. Just, you think you're right on it, and it just launches right over the top. Hey, Jesse, launch that. It did not go through it. I am surprised. Not even a crack. These old Samsungs are pretty good. It just splattered on it. I really thought that would go through it. Well, we'll hit it with a couple more and see what it does. It's my turn to launch it. No, it's my turn. You got a little potato. Let's put another potato. The air comes in here. Then I've got a ball valve. You know you got good pressure when the safety valve starts hissing. And we're up in there. All right, so this time I'm sitting on a tire. All right, here we go. One went over. Did I crack it?
Yeah, you made a gigantic ding.
That did make a gigantic ding. That dented it in.
And mine didn't even make a splash.
Well, I hit it right up there near the top, buddy. All right, let's do it again. There we go. It's a potato wad. Potato wad. Got one rock. That's a nice sound. Bloop. And we got another rock. But here we go. Yeah, that's enough weight. That kind of knocked me around a little bit. It's the right height right there. Let's see this. The potato hit up here, but those rocks, they went plumb through. Came out right there. Kablooey. Oh, that's a success. Kablooey. All right. Yeah! You put a hole in it, buddy. Yeah, well, I think we weakened the baby. Yes, we did. Ah, that's what the inside of a TV looks like with potato mashes. Justin's adding a couple of rocks to his. You didn't hit the TV. No, you hit my table right there.
Oh.
Oh, goodness. That was a double potato shot. Yeah, hit it in the corner. He didn't have rocks. He had another potato. He hit it in this corner. Hey, I don't want glass everywhere. You leave it there.
Yeah.
All right, who wants to throw hammers?
Yeah.
Go get hammers. We'll try a couple hammers at it to see what we can do. All right, throw them from here. Oh! Now it's Travis's turn. Now it's my turn. This is a 3-pound quality hammer. And I've got a little one here, framing hammer. Oh, that's just a lot of fun. All right, let's see it, Jesse. Nice one, Travis. Let's see it. All right, my 3. That one's stuck. Let's try a little one. Oh, it bounces back. I could have been killed.